Hey everybody, welcome back to the Miniac, and today I'm here with this 2020 Mini Cooper S, and I'm not here to talk about the car specifically as much as I'm here to talk about the mini entertainment systems in the car and how some of the features work. Specifically, today's video will be how the presets work. Just so you know, it's not just for radio settings anymore. So anyway, we are now inside the 2020 Mini Cooper S, and I've already pre-programmed my presets down here, but if you notice when you touch the buttons, they're touch sensitive, so it shows what's already pre-programmed into the car. So let's go to number 1. That's my navigation. Now I can easily, now that I've pushed that button, click speak. Take me to IKEA.
Say yes.
And there it is. Let's back that out. Now, if I want to go to sport gauges, for example, if I have the car in sport mode and I want to see my RPMs or my horsepower, my torque, whatever, push that. Brings up my power, brings up my torque, rev the engine, needles go up. Pretty cool. Now number 3 brings me to the weather. So today it's 88 degrees. It's going to be 93 tomorrow, a little hot for me, but there you go. That's preset for the weather. Number 4 is mini roadside assistance. If I push this button, it will automatically dial it, so I am going to avoid doing that. Pushing 5 will take me to my Bluetooth audio, so if my phone is connected to the car, it will pull up my phone. And then 6 will bring me to whatever my preset FM radio station is. So naturally, you can still use these for your presets for your radio. But these buttons do give you a lot more creativity and a lot more options when it comes to configuring the car how you would use it on a daily basis. Now, just so you know how easy it is to reset this system, let's say I wanted to make number 1 my radio, a preset for the radio. So I'm in FM radio here. Let's say I wanted to preset it to KCMO 94.9. Push the 1 button down, and it's now preset to that. So it's changed the preset from the navigation system to a radio station. Now, you can configure it any way you wish, like I said, and this is a very easy system to figure out once you learn it. So, not a bad little setup here. This is kind of cool for the F56 generation of the Minis. So, I hope you enjoyed this little how-to on this system. And if you did, leave a like below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. I upload videos every Monday and Friday at 2 p.m. And until next time, I just want to remind you all that life is too short to drive a boring car. So as always, drive a Mini. I'll see you all next time.